Making money online is one of the safest and fastest way to gain financial freedom and monetize your skill sets. It will literally take you zero capital to start any of the businesses on this list, because all you will need are things you may already have, like a smartphone or a laptop with a basic internet connection. There are so many ways to make money online, and over the years I've tried a lot of online businesses. In this video I will share my 12 best online businesses you can start now with little or no capital and from the comfort of your home. Make sure to watch this video till the end, because the last online business on this list is my favorite. 1. Become an online English teacher. Do you know that over 75% of people in the world don't speak English at all, even though it is the most popular language in the world? Many people do not have access to high quality health information, education, or high quality services because it is not available in a language that they understand. Imagine how many people in the world would like to learn English language for business, education, or high quality health information. According to Google search, there are over 1.5 billion people who are currently learning English language in the world. As you can see, this is a huge opportunity for people who can write or speak English language fluently. You can actually make a decent amount of money by teaching people the English language online. Generally speaking, online English teachers typically make between $10 to $40 per hour, depending on their level of qualification. If you're wondering where to list your tutoring services right now, best websites to teach English language online are Booknook, Preply, Cambly, Italki, Tutoro, EF Education, Vebling, OutSchool, and Profi. Also, if you speak more than one language, you have a golden opportunity to start a business teaching multiple languages or holding language conversation practice sessions. Another online business you can consider starting is becoming a skill trainer. Which skill you will teach really depends on the skills you may already possess. Are you a dancer? Can you teach people how to dance? Are you a good cook or a chef? Do you know how many people want to learn how to cook specific meals? Are you a musician? Can you teach people how to sing or play any musical instrument? Are you a TikTok expert? Can you teach people how to create TikTok videos, how to use TikTok or create TikTok art? Are you a fitness enthusiast? Personal training is becoming popular. The list of skills you can teach people is endless. You can deliver the skills either in person or online. No skill is useless. How you package yourself is what matters. For example, a church ministry recently hired me to teach them how to set up and manage their TikTok account. I make a decent amount of money from this every month. The amount of money you can earn from coaching or teaching a skill will depend on the specific skill you are offering, your location, and your target audience. If you choose this type of business, you will need to market and position yourself as an expert in the field you choose. You can consistently create valuable content related to the category of skill you have chosen and share them on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, ConnectU, YouTube, and CMTV Plus, just to name a few. How much do skill trainers make? Skill trainers make over $32,000 per year on average, or $15.76 per hour in the United States. 3. Start a YouTube channel. This one is my favorite online business, and I'm currently making a decent amount of money across a number of YouTube channels. YouTube, the pioneer video sharing platform owned by Google and is the second largest search engine in the world, has over 2.6 billion monthly active users in over 100 countries in the world today. You can start a YouTube channel and grow it into a money-making machine, but I must tell you that it takes time and consistency, especially at the beginning. If you're passionate about any topic, there are likely many other people who are looking for content related to this topic. Positioning your YouTube channel as a place where they can get content related to their search preference is very lucrative now. On the other hand, one great way to promote your new brand, services, or message is by creating a YouTube channel. If you feel comfortable on camera, have a spot where you can film, and love the idea of reaching a wide audience, YouTube might be a right platform for you. It can take some time for your channel to grow, and you will likely need to network on social media and blogging platforms in the beginning, but with dedication, you can make a comfortable living this way. There are several ways you can make money from your YouTube channel. For example, from your ad revenue, that is, YouTube put ads on your video and pay you when people view or click on these ads. This is actually the primary way many people make money on YouTube. But bear in mind that you must reach an eligibility of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours before you can be accepted into the YouTube Partnership Program. For YouTube Shorts, the eligibility is 10 million public valid short views in the last 90 days. Creators on YouTube earn about 55% of the revenue on their channels. That is, for every $100 an advertiser pays, YouTube or Google pays $55 to the creator. YouTube pays an average of $2 per 1,000 views for monetized videos. According to Google search, the highest earning YouTube star was Mr. Beast, who earned $54 million, more than double the highest earned in 2022. You can also make money with your YouTube channel with sponsored deals from other brands, affiliate marketing, or selling your own digital or physical products. 5. Provide virtual assistants. If you can easily accomplish tasks in a timely manner, consider becoming a virtual assistant. This is the fastest and easiest business to start with no money on this list. The number of entrepreneurs and businesses is increasing daily, leading to a rise in demand for virtual assistants. If you do not know who a virtual assistant is, a virtual assistant is a self-employed worker who specializes in offering administrative services to clients, maybe an individual or company, from a remote location, usually a home office. Typical tasks a virtual assistant might perform include scheduling appointments, making phone calls, making travel arrangements, and managing email accounts. The idea is to help in the day-to-day management of the business. Virtual assistant services are a great way to earn money, especially if you have no particular niche skills. Virtual assistants can help entrepreneurs and other successful individuals manage their time, plan their schedule, and even work with them one-on-one. This is an excellent way to make money and learn on the job. The amount of money virtual assistants earn depends on the client's experience and services offered. For example, on Upwork, freelance virtual assistants charge an average of $18 to $35 per hour, depending on the skills and experience. You can find virtual assistant jobs for beginners on platforms like Upwork, People Per Hour, VAnetworking.com, LinkedIn, Indeed, and more. 6. Affiliate marketing. If you want to make considerable online revenue, then affiliate marketing is for you. But what's the concept behind it? Affiliate marketing is selling products or services of other brands or businesses. The affiliate earns a commission each time someone makes a purchase through the unique affiliate link associated with their recommendation. Or simply, affiliate marketing is when you sell somebody else's products or services online for a commission. For example, an entrepreneur or an established company may have a product or a catalog of products, either digital or physical. They let others promote and sell these products, paying them a commission every time they sell something. However, all you need to do is to search for any product or services you like and promote it to get profit from each sale. As an affiliate marketer, your main goal is to persuade buyers to purchase products or services. As an affiliate marketer, you can get paid in the following ways: PPC or pay per click, where the brand or merchant will pay you a commission per click. Pay per lead, where you get compensation depending on the lead conversion. Here, the affiliate will need to persuade the audience to visit the merchant's site to carry out actions such as subscribing or filling out a contact form. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways you can earn a steady flow of passive income from anywhere you want. You don't need to be concerned with customer support or satisfaction, but only link the brand with the consumer. You also get to select whatever services or products you want to promote and get paid according to your performance. That is the more work the more the payment. You can get products or services to market as an affiliate marketer on websites like ClickBank, eBay Partner Network, Rakuten Advertising, ConnectGo, and Amazon Associate, just to name a few. How much do affiliate marketers make? The average salary of an affiliate marketer, according to Glassdoor, is $59,000 per year. It ranges from $58,000 to $158,000, including additional pay options like cash bonus, commissions, tips, or profit sharing. Number 7, social media marketing. If you're always online and enjoy social media, maybe you could turn that talent into a business. Social media is an increasingly important part of most businesses' marketing mix. In fact, social media management is one of the fastest growing business tracks out there now. With the rise of the popularity of social media platforms, many businesses or brands are looking for people to manage their social media pages, profiles, or activities. You can become a social media manager for several brands or businesses and work from the comfort of your home. According to Google research, a social media marketer can earn about $33,000 to $70,000 per year, depending on the country and experience. Number 8, offer freelance services. If you have a skill which others are willing to pay for, such as cooking, marketing, writing, editing, photography, graphic design, web development, etc., then starting a freelance business could be a great way to earn some extra cash. This is how I actually started my own business, by rendering freelance video editing services to individuals, brands, and other businesses. You won't believe how many brands and businesses are actually in need of freelance services all over the world. The best part about freelance working is that you can work from anywhere in the world and set your own working hours. All you need is a laptop and an internet connection. Although there are no startup costs per se, you will need to invest some time in marketing your services and finding clients. Platforms you can start your freelance career on are Fiverr, Upwork, TopTal, Jobble, Freelancer.com, and FlexJobs. A beginner freelancer on Upwork earns between $5 to $28 per hour. 9. Blogging or content writing. If you can communicate your thoughts or have a flair for language, then blogging can be an excellent opportunity to start making money. All you need is the expertise or passion for a particular subject or niche, and the ability to explain it in a way that a large part of your target audience will want to come back for more. You can either start by using a blogging platform like ConnectYouBoss.com. ConnectYouBoss.com enables bloggers to easily start and monetize their blogs for free. ConnectYouBoss.com will pay you about $1 for any 1,000 monetized views. Imagine how much you can make on ConnectYouBoss.com with 1 million views. You can also start a custom blogging website and monetize it if you have a huge traffic. Your income can seem insignificant initially, but with time, as you get more and more traffic, you can earn an average income between $38,000 and $51,000. 10. Influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is an online business idea that anyone can start even with no money. The word influencer has become so popular today, especially with those who have a huge following on social media platforms. But in simple terms, an influencer is someone who has a strong following on social media platforms and can influence an audience. People who position themselves as influencers make a decent amount of money from their social media platforms through likes, shares, and subscriptions for their content. Social media influencers can significantly promote products and services of other brands for a huge pay. Some of the ways influencers can make money are through brand deals, promoting physical products or services of other brands and earning percentages whenever they refer someone to buy or make a purchase, or by creating merchandise with their label and selling them to their followers who will buy them for their niche value. Platforms such as Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, ConnectYou, and YouTube, just to name a few, have enabled several social media influencers to monetize their following. According to Influencer Marketing Hub, The influencer market was valued at $16.4 billion in 2022 and is expected to grow to $21.1 billion in 2023 globally. 11. Start a podcast. Podcasts continue to explode in popularity, with reports that Spotify is investing nearly $1 billion in the companies that create them. Podcasting relies primarily on connection, not capital. The more niche your podcast is, the greater your chances are of finding an audience. So try to think about your industry or hobby and the topics that interest the people you work with and socialize with every day. Online tools like Zencaster and Riverside FM make it easier than ever to create professional sounding podcasts by handling all of the tricky microphone settings and post-processing. You can use your podcast to make money through podcast subscriptions, which requires listeners to subscribe with pay to your podcast to listen to episodes. Donations, where you ask your audience to contribute to keeping the show alive. If you're delivering quality content, your fans will want to make sure that it keeps coming. Consider creating a Patreon account to provide add-on and premium rewards to those who donate. Sponsorships, where you find local or big name sponsors to pay for shout-outs and advertising on your podcast channel. There are many other ways you can learn how to make money from your podcast. I have added the video link in the description. Make sure to check it out. Platforms where you can host your podcast are Buzzsprout, Captivate Transistor, Castos, RSS.com, Podbean, and Resonate. How much can you make on your podcast? Typically, a podcaster with about 10,000 downloads per episode can expect to earn somewhere between $500 to $900. Very successful podcasts can earn much more, reaching up to $30 million in annual income. Finally, I promise to tell you my most favorite online business you can start with no capital, which is number 12, online consultancy. I personally love this one because it is so easy and fast to make a lot of money with absolutely no capital. For example, I get at least 3 consulting jobs in almost everything I'm skillful at, such as digital marketing, e-commerce, video production, YouTube, and TikTok marketing. Consultancy is a great way to earn an income if you are an expert or have experience in a particular industry or niche. All you need to start a consulting business is a marketable skill, a computer, and an internet connection. Every other thing beyond that is just a bonus. A consultant can offer their services, be it health and wellness, fitness, finance, e-commerce, marketing, etc., by working directly with their customers, and can offer one-on-one sessions as well. Consultants can also start sharing their knowledge online by curating courses or writing ebooks and slowly establishing a solid online brand. These are some of the platforms where you can get consulting jobs for pay: Comatch, FlexJobs, Expert Connect, Talmixed, Credo, Expert 360, and more. As an online consultant, you can make between $3,200 to $9,400 per month, depending on your experience, location, or expert level. The trick with any online business is to make sure that you are in a profitable niche market. So be sure to keep an eye on trends and always check out what people are discussing on social media platforms. Also note that you don't have to restrict yourself to just one of these online businesses. Start out with one and get it going. Then add new revenue streams as you are able. That will grow your income stream and ensure that you get financial freedom. If you are interested to learn how to make money online the right and legal way, consider subscribing to this channel because I make videos on this topic weekly. I also recommend you watch this video next. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.